Hi! In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this tablet. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now choose Allow and click Home button. Over here you need to click on iOS Launcher and tap on Always. Then choose Got it and OK. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!